Today I'm going to show you how to use a tool called GetHashes. Now this is a little bash script developed by a friend of mine, Stewart Averett. You can find the repository link in the description on the video. Hashing is important because when gathering forensic data, we need to establish a way to assure that the data has not been tampered with, that there is integrity, so that if necessary in a court of law, these files could be shown that the data collected was never tampered with. And it can be kind of a pain to run through and hash every single individual file, but this script allows you to hash an entire folder of files with both MD5 and SHA-1 hashes. And I'm going to show you how to use that today. To use this tool, first we want to download it. So let's go to our terminal and just say git clone and then the link to the repository, which I have included in the video description so you can get it later. Okay, now it's in there. Now we can go to our folder, and you see we've got this Unix hashing script folder. Inside we have our GetHashes.sh. All right, now to use this script, we want to change the permissions of it to make sure that it is an executable. So we're going to cd into the directory, and then we're going to use chmod to change the permissions to turn it to allow it to be executed. So chmod a+x and gethashes.sh. And now that's changed, and we'll be able to run that. So let's go back to the GetHashes script, and let's copy that. Now I've created a folder called files to hash. It doesn't have to be called files to hash. It can be called whatever you want, but this is where I've placed the different forensic data that I've collected from a victim machine. And now what I'm going to do is simply paste that GetHashes script in. Now you can double click this and run it in the terminal, but it does give us some output that we want to see. So if we just go back into that directory, the files to hash directory, and we run that bash script by using /gethashes.sh, it then will give you the MD5 and SHA-1 hashes of each of the files. And it also creates two folders with files for each of the hashes so that you can come back and verify those against your records in order to prove integrity.